even though it's a kick aimed to push someone away, I'll kind of see some people as they go to kick and they'll kind of try and shove it. Remember, you strike with the ball of your foot, so I'm not aiming to go flat-footed. You curl your toes up and you strike. Hi, my name is Damien Trainor. I'm the Chief Instructor here at K-Star Legacy in Birmingham. With me I've got Simon Whitehead, who's the Chief Instructor at K-Star Combat Academy, also in Birmingham. Today I'm just going to quickly go over a few common mistakes I kind of see for my beginners when they're doing like the front kick or the teep. Right, the first one is, even though it's a kick aimed to push someone away, I'll kind of see some people as they go to kick and they'll kind of try and shove it. Even though it's a kick to try and move someone backwards, it's still a strike. So you have to make sure that you're kind of stabbing it in. You want to kind of almost make it so it's spiteful when you kind of hit the target. Remember, you strike with the ball of your foot. So I'm not aiming to go flat-footed. You curl your toes up and you're striking with the ball. Like I say, you want to stab it in. So I'm not going to go and then push away. As I'm in my stance, when I go up, you stab it in so it's very sharp. And again, so my knee comes up, stab it in. Okay, just from the opposite angle. But if you look at my arm as well, so from my left leg or my lead teep, as I kick, this arm swings down, shoulders up high, other hand up. So I'm coming in, so I'm going kick, and you come back down, again and again. So you're up, kick, and then come straight back down. Right now, a few people kind of say that you might get punched in the face, right? The only way that's going to happen is if you've misjudged your distance on doing the teep, right? This is where I'd probably fire the teep. I probably wouldn't try and do it from here. From this position, if my arm's down here, he can't hit you, right? It's just not going to happen. Okay, so there's no point going this way because you can't get the full power behind the leg. You kind of use that momentum with your hip to be able to stab it through. Okay, another thing that I kind of see with the teep, if you look at my head, is when you do the teep, you don't want to pull yourself back. My head stays where it is. It's my lower half that goes forward. So my head stays here, so I'm kicking. It's my lower half that goes through. Again, so go up, lower half, then back to position. Again, so go up, teep, and then come straight back. Yeah, so it's that lower half thrusting in, head stays where it is. Same with the rear one. So if I go rear kick, it's my right arm that swings. So go up, kick, and then come straight back. And again, so go up, kick, and then back into position. And then one more, up, kick, and come straight back into position. For those of you that are interested in seeing how I develop things from the ground up, make sure to check out my full-length tutorial, Muay Thai training, developing world-class striking on the Warrior Collective's marketplace. And obviously on there you'll kind of see how I break things down, how I kind of explain it, and obviously how to kind of help people with their mechanics and obviously perfecting the techniques.